The Black Russian. It's rich, smooth and Moorish. It's essentially the misunderstood middle child of the coffee cocktails, outshone by its needy, attention-seeking siblings. Okay, before we proceed, make sure you give the subscribe button a good dry slap. Okay, we really need to talk about Black Russians. Firstly, there's a nasty myth which has been going around and we need to dispel it right now. There's no Coca-Cola, no Pepsi in this drink whatsoever. It's a simple and straightforward cocktail which is a must try for any coffee aficionado. Start off by adding a big ice cube into a double rocks glass. Add 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of vodka. And add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of Kahlua. And if you're a big Espresso Martini fan and don't want to piss around with coffee machines, this is the cocktail for you. Then stir this with a bar spoon for around 30 to 45 seconds or until the glass is cold to touch. This drink was created by Gustav Topt, who's a Belgian barman who worked at the Hotel Metropole in Brussels in 1949. It was made in honour of Pearl Mester, the US ambassador to Luxembourg. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, most will enjoy, and have a couple more and behave yourself.